Fifth one, if P1 power x1 into P2 power x2 into P3 power x3 into P4 power x4 is equal to 1,13,400, where P1, P2, P3, P4 and are primes in ascending order, and x1, x2, x3, x4, etc. are integers. Find the value of P1, P2, P3, P4 and x1, x2, x3, x4. First, we need to find the value of P1, P2, P3, P4 and x1, x2, x3, x4, which P1 power x1 into P2 power x2 into P3 power x3 into P4 power x4 is equal to 1,13,400. Now solution. First, given P1 power x1 into P2 power x2 into P3 power x3 into P4 power x4 is equal to 1,13,400. Second one, P1, P2, P3, P4, etc. This one is prime numbers in ascending order. Are prime in ascending order. Second one, x1, x2, x3, x4, etc. are integers, positive integers. This one is positive number, so positive integers. Next, if find the values. This one is powers formation. So P values base, X values powers. So P is factors, X is countings. First, using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What is the given number? 1,13,400. So first you check the numbers. Last digit is even number. So first, now what using prime factorization, what is the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. 1 and itself. That factors are 1 and itself. This is called prime factorization. Last number is 0. First using 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Balance 1. 13. 2 6 are 12. Balance 1. 2 7s are 14. 0 0. Again 2 table. Again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. Balance 1. 2 5s are 10. 0. Again 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. 2 7s are 14. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. Last digit 5. So this one is 5 table. 5 2s are 10. Balance 4. 5 8s are 40. Balance 1. 5 3s are 15. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 3. 6 5s are 30. Balance 3. 7 5s are 35. This one is odd number. Odd numbers using odd tables. 3 table. 1 3 is 3, balance 2. 3 8s are 24, balance 2. 3 9s are 27. Again 3 table. 6 3s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table. 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3. Again 3 table. 7 3s are 21, 7 table. P1, P2, P3, P4 are prime numbers. Prime numbers, factors. P values are factors. So this one is factors, prime numbers. 2, 5, 3, 7. First, we arrange the ascending order. 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, 7 table. Next, in x1, x2, x3, x4 integers. So how many times? 2 table, how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. 5 table, 1, 2 times. 3 table, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 7 table, 1 times. This one is P1 x power 1, P2 x2, P3 power x3, P4 power x4. Finally, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3 is equal to P4 is equal to. Finally, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3 is equal to P4 is equal to. Integers x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3 is equal to x4 is equal to. So p values factors, base, and x values powers. How many times? So p1 is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 3, p2 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, p3 is equal to 5, x3 is equal to 2, p4 is equal to 7, x4 is equal to 1. So final answer is P1 is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 3, P3 is equal to 5, P4 is equal to 7, x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, x3 is equal to 2, x4 is equal to 1.